Let's try to see that how you can search research papers online. So first what we have to do, we have to go to any search engine and then we click to Google. It is the most common search engine. So I am going to google.com, as you can see, and then I can type two things. I can type the researcher name or I can type the topic name. So here I am typing one researcher name and then I am also typing the research publication, which I have already done. This is how you can do, or you can also go to Scholar in search menu, then press enter, then you go to Google Scholar. You click on the Google Scholar, then the Google Scholar engine will open, and there you can type the name of the researcher, typing and then I can see the name of the researcher and his publications. So then I can click and I will find several researchers are there. So I have selected one researcher and I can see all the papers, research papers, which have been published. So here, if I want to say that according to year wise, the current publication, so if you type or you just click on this year part, you can see the current publications and the previous publications. So you can see the list according to year or the period wise list can be seen. Also you can see the citation table where you have citations, then different types of citations that have been accumulated. The H index, which also shows you the most popular ones, and I-10 index is also available. So you can see since last 5 years, or you can see the overall number of citations. This is how you can search. Now again, if I want to see according to citation, I will click here and then I can see the numbers in descending order, right? So this is how you can go and see. And then let's suppose I want to see any one particular research paper. So I click on that research paper and then I can find the details of authors, publication date, journal, volume, issue, pages, publisher, description. I can also see the total citations, and here I can see 14 citations are there. So if I click here, then I will find the list of all those research papers who have cited this particular paper. So here 14 research papers are there. So this is how you can find different list of papers which have been published and they have cited this particular paper, which is at the top of this particular page. Then you can go back and you can again search for other papers also. Now let's suppose I click on this second paper and I can again go and see the different papers which have been cited under this particular paper or using this paper. So I go back. Now if I want to get this paper, I can click on the link given and here I can see this is a paid search list of a particular journal, and this research paper belongs to ACM Digital Library. So now I can find it under the journal list, right? So these are the paid versions of different research papers, so you can go and find the details here. Now there are some free versions also, like if I want to search for certain kind of papers, let's suppose I click on this second research paper link, and then now I want to find the actual paper. So you can see open source research papers are also there, so you can find both the open source research paper, so you can see the complete research paper in PDF format. So you can find it both in free source, or you can also find it in the form of paid journal list, which I just showed you before. Okay, so this is how you can find the complete list, right? This is a complete research paper which many people have cited. So again I will go back, and again you can see in the same window I am going back. So this is how you can search different kind of papers, and according to your convenience you can select any one of them which suits your requirement, and then you can also cite papers, right? But we will try to understand that later. So thanks to all, thanks to everyone, and we will meet back again. Thanks. Thank you.